everyone, my name is Kyungmi Kim and my title is Synthesis and Properties of the Biomass-based polyester adhesive. In my work, most the monomers are biomass-derived monomers from the glucose, and most ester predict that they can be decomposed by esterase present in microorganisms, like this. And this biomass-based adhesive will be decomposed by esterase, which will be studied later work. And these biodegradable adhesives are to be measured by titrations. I will be discuss the result about the synthesis and compositions. Through the esterification, the adhesive was carried out at 180 degrees for 2 hours without the catalyst, and the composition was as follows. Since the isosorbide has an intramolecular hydrogen bonding where the isosorbide can be attached compared to P ratios like this, and the characteristic of each monomers are as follow like this. You can refer to this. The next result is thermal properties. In TGA, the higher content of the isosorbide have a low boiling point because the interaction decrease between the chains due to the isosorbide structures, and in this C, as the amount of the isosorbide and citric acid increased, then glass transition temperature is increased because the isosorbide has a rigid structures that enhance the glass transition temperatures. Right picture is the real synthesized adhesive. The next result is lab shear test. The standard was KSM 3705 and the hot press was carried out at 150 degrees for 30 hours. The result shear strength is as follows. The reason for this is curing behavior is caused by heat. Through the reference hot press to increase the temperatures, the tensile strength of the sample can be seen to increase. And second is the higher ratio of the succeeding acid and CHDM, the greater the shear strength of the adhesive because it has a high toughness. And it works on pressure and time. The smaller the temperature difference between the two objects, the higher heat transfer coefficient. Therefore, as the heat transfer coefficient increases, the more heat energy transfer within the specimens. A short period of the curing time has caused the coil cohesive failures, which is due to the insufficient crosslink. Finally, the Phrasal sensitive adhesive test proceed. The first step is make the solutions, dissolve the adhesive in acetone, and then use the disposable spray, and then spray the adhesive on the substrate, plastic, and sauce and papers. Then is the result of the test. When dissolved in acetone and then sprayed, it was confirmed that paper, plastic, sauce, and even heterogeneous substrate were possible. Finally, conclusions. Demand for single use such as mask has increased due to the COVID. This study aimed to replace the adhesive based on petroleum-based with the biomass monomers to achieve the carbon neutral society. We use most of biomass-based monomers. Ester-based adhesive have the potential to be biodegradable by microorganisms. This part we will study. Using biomass-based monomers contribute to thermal, mechanical, and adhesion properties. Thank you for listening my presentations.